Hello, it's me again, Johnny Utah's Garage. Little update on the shoe rack. I'm gonna finish the top board of it, bring it to my house because it's warmer. I have to finish the insulation in my garage because there's a hole up there, and it's getting too cold in here to record with a phone. My lithium batteries just keep going dead on me. So I'm gonna finish the wooden thing. I finished the little tiny tabs on the bottom. I think I showed, and I'll show you in a second in a little video. The welding isn't perfect. I mean, nothing is, but it is what it is. It came out pretty good. It does the job, and well, it came out pretty good. It looks good. It's not a perfect welding job, but you know, I'm an amateur welder. I like welding. I like melting steel together. So anyway, that's on that one. I'm gonna probably zinc oxide prime it next. Give it a black coat of paint. I'll go over my hands and make sure there's no burrs on it because there's gonna be kids crawling over this thing. I'm gonna stain the piece of sand the piece of wood a little bit more. Give it a probably one coat of stain and then probably 3 coats of varathane or clear varathane or something. But it should come out pretty good. Anyway, I hope everybody likes it, and then I'll be done. Hello YouTube, it's me again. This is the shoe rack I'm building. You'll notice over here I welded on. I don't know if my welds are any good. I ground them down to make them look a little, I don't know, a little better. I screwed up a little bit, but I peened it with a hammer. I peened this so it has a little bit of, like, goes up a little, and if you look over here on this one, yeah, the weld, I got a little porosity there. The welds came out kind of shitty, but it's a shoe rack. Let's see, this right here, if you look at them sideways, you'll see where I beat it with a hammer. It has this little, like, hammer beating. I might have beat this side a little bit too much, but it's on the back side, so nobody's going to notice. I did this side right here, mulch with a hammer. This side, beat it with a hammer. As you can see, the rack is coming out pretty good. And next, I'm going to finish it off.